This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through on how to circumscribe a cycle to equilateral triangle. So now the first step is to draw our equilateral triangle, and then we'll now proceed to circumference the triangle with a cycle. So now what we need to do right is to proceed. I will now construct an equilateral triangle of 5 centimeter. So to achieve that, you draw a line of 5 centimeter, and here is our point A and B. Now to construct an equilateral triangle, you put your pair of compass at this point, and then you now open to the radius, which is 5 centimeter. You now inscribe an arc at the top. So now once you inscribe an arc at the top, the next step is to link where the two lines intersect to A and B. So now once you're done with that, the next step is to identify the center of this equilateral triangle. Now this point is your point C. So now to achieve the center, or to identify or to locate the center of this triangle, we bisect points AB and CD. So to bisect this given triangle, you open your pair of compass to a convenient radius, and you now inscribe an arc at the top and below. And then you now stand at point A. You repeat that same process using same radius. And then you now proceed, and you now link, you draw a straight line. So now once you draw a straight line, you repeat that same process at this point. You now bisect line BC. So now once you bisect line BC, you now draw a straight line to identify the center of this equilateral triangle. So this point is our O, which is the center. So in order to circumscribe a cycle to this triangle, you now stand at this point. We start at this point using the radius from O to A, which is the center, and then you now draw a cycle. So this is how to circumscribe cycle to an equilateral triangle. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.